Whakaalofa atu makau, mawhola. E aho nei, tau se e whē whakaako aki o Foufou making. Got a great team here. The Coast Collective. What's this? Lalama MuiMui Coast Collective now. Also got a Pacific Trail. These are the Foufou. I'd like to make a big shout out to Susana from MuiMui Atuhau. She taught us how to Susana and Niue was teaching us how to make these Foufous. I made this one, you've probably seen the other video. So my sister Wylma is going to teach some people how to make one, which is awesome. We also got Wylma Drysdale here, also right here as an expert at making it well. So awesome help. Got a lot of people, got about like maybe 30, 40 people here. And we got 30 packs. So awesome. Good skill to learn. But we're gonna start soon. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna say. So okay. Let's catch up after. Feleveia.
Whakaue whoki ke John, ko e takitaki he Atuhau, Tupuhake, Niue Champions of Change, ngā waka. Okay, Tupuhake e Miss Morning.
And I'm going to be helping out today.
Okay, tōka mata, tō what are you laughing for? Measure your hair, once you have got your measurements, you are going to self-tape your
halfway.
Ai ni pe tau se fisi ke tau se ke Foufou. Se ko hele tau fisi ke whakatoka. Ai se ka ono na ka ko. Just trying to for young people to learn how to make the Foufou. So when they have their family occasions, they can make it themselves as a family. Look around, they're all learning.
Oh good, do you need help? Oh. No. You're VIP. You have yours. VIP. Feleveia, Foufou, how? Oh, nice. Feleveia, Foufou, how? My cousin. How's it going, Lewis? How's it going? All good? All good? All good. Feleveia, Foufou, how? My cousin? Mitaki?
Mitaki kai. Tunga eto.
Oh, yeah, tunga. Gee.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
We are making Foufous.
First time?
First time. And it's not fun.
Hey, second time? This is the girls. Go around. It's the boys. Feleveia, Foufou.
Have a shot, take it.
Oh, nice. Nice. How's the Foufou going?
It's difficult.
Huh?
It's difficult. My thing's slipping. But I'll get through it.
Nice. Oh, hey, he's finished already. Wow, what a fast guy. Sheesh. Hey. Nice. Go. Sheesh. Feleveia, Foufou, bro.
Grazie, bro. Check that out, man. Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
You know that saying, good things take time. Invest the time into my Foufou.
Nice, bro. Welcome. How's the Foufou? It's good, going good? Nice. Feleveia, Foufou, how, auntie? Oh, Fulwala. Lucky you got a grandma. Yeah. Is that a Cookie Island one or a Niue one? Oh, half mix, nice. Hey, auntie, how's the? Oh, that's looking nice.
Trying to make sure it doesn't fall out.
Yeah.
Make sure it's all secure.
So what are you doing to make sure it doesn't fall out?
So I am tying it tightly around securing it down the bottom.
Yeah.
Just making sure it's all tight. I don't want any flowers pulling out.
Oh, okay. Auntie Feleveia, Foufou.
Oh, it's turkey. A lot of focus, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to make sure that it's tight.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise it's gonna makulu, eh? You don't want makulu. And here's the MC today. How's it going so far?
Oh, it's going really well. Like, turn around and look at the...
Yeah, everyone's
They're really
engaged.
Yes. Sorry, we're trying to do the music and do the Foufou at the same time.
Oh, dine and dash. See you, Faith.
Okay.
Nice. All right. Awesome. What's up, Lucam? Like your Foufou? Any words? Any words?
Today's a great day.
What's that?
Today's been a great day.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Brother, how many siblings do you have?
Like 6.
Yeah, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Brother, 3 brothers and then 4 sisters.
So is there 7 of you guys?
All together, yeah.
And where are you on the tree? Are you first, second, third, or 7?
Middle.
Are you in the middle? Number 4?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And you're Victoria. What's your dad's name? Simisi. James. Oh, yeah. Sweet. All right. Yeah.
This is Wylma Erick, my hands on it, so follow you.
See. All right, hey guys, we have what's your name? Mari. And Jaquina. Whoa. And is this your Matua Tupuna? Is this your grandfather? And he's Matua Tupuna Matt. That was a Foufou. Gee. Okay. Happy to be here. What do you want to say to the followers? Hakupu? Okay, what's your mum and dad's name? Oh. You have a brother?
My mom's name is Chrissy.
Oh.
And my dad's name is Marcus.
Oh yeah, here we have the matua tupuna fifine ko Chini Palalangi and ko Tane ko Matt. Pai kupu Matt.
Nou, hou me dat ze dan met Foufou que hoje que tudo estamos fazendo agora.
Oh, full wala. Kau se batu fifine ha? Batu fifine tupuna. Oh, homo. Honga lahi kai uke ngā hua eh?
Ook het allemaal. Hey, dat was dan met hier first time.
Oh, man.
Ja, toch ik het al vinden gaan.
Oh, whakaoe mea le langa matai.
Ja, gewoon.
Niue anga whakamotu, whakaoe mo mea.
Yo.
Kita kan yang mati gua kita ya itu gua tuh hanya mat.
Any words about today?
Oh, fantastic. We could do a bit more of it. And teaching our little ones. I'm very impressed with everybody's efforts today. Thank you very much. It was great. Fantastic. effort on everyone. Even the new ones who are just learning were great. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Manuine po.
Manuine po.
Yeah, manuine po.
Yes. How was your Foufou? How was the workshop?
Tôi pro em. Vậy việc của cái việc của phải biết cái phải home way.
Home way.
Yeah. Vậy trong phang amen hiện nay có là tôi sẽ tu vào mà John chỉ sẽ quay how the children they were really focused. Here they were really focused. They really want to complete the task. Okay, that's what we need, because we need to have some kind of completion, so they can feel that they have achieved. The other thing that I picked up as well is how Wylma had put the package together. That's make life, and she have instruction in terms like your Foufou Niue. She used the same word, oko. So those things we need to link or connect it. So if the more, like what we said, the more we say it, the more it stick in our mind, especially for the young ones. So they know now oko is to collect. Okay.
Okay. Baik.